Hi everyone. So in this video, I will explain how to build a simple calculator project for the user, where user can able to give the two inputs and user choice based the functionality. So what does it mean? So I have the functionalities where a user can give the two inputs and the choice which type of operation he wants to do also given by the user to perform that task. And here I have declared five methods for the addition, for subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential. Here exponential, which means n1 to the power of n2. So if the user passes two numbers, first number is to the power of the second number. So that's how it is implemented here. User can give two numbers, and based on the user choice he can perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential of that of those two inputs. So first I have asked for giving the first input, and user also has to give second number input as well. And here I am having mathematical operations containing five values: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential. For each range I will display to and display the message that to press 1 for the first addition, to press 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, fifth press 5 for exponential. That is the message that will be displayed using this rule. Now I will ask the user to enter the choice. Which choice you want to perform? Either addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or division, or exponential. Based on his choice, I will call that method. If I press 1 for the addition, then it will call this method and add num1 and 2 and num2, where n1 and n2 is already was given by the user. So based on this choice, the method will be called and it will perform the individual task here. I, and this is how it is happening. So let's check. Enter the first number. So first number will be say 3. Second number is 5. Now enter the choice. Which choice you want to perform? I want to perform the subtraction. So I will press 2. If I run again, enter the first number as 5. Enter the second number as 2. Press 1 for addition, press 2 for subtraction, press 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, and 5 for exponential. If I press 3, it will do multiplication for those two numbers. So multiplication of 2 and 5 is 10. If I want to find the exponential, first number is 2, second number is 6, and my choice is 5. So 2 to the power of 6 value is 64. This is how the a calculator can be project can be done. And this is a user choice based, where the two input will be given, and based on his operation choice it will be performed individually. This is how we have implemented. If you have any doubts or need any explanation once again, let me know in the comments. I will do it again. Thank you.